Shah Do Shamshira, meaning the King of Two Swords, is a legendary figure deeply rooted in Afghan history and folklore. The name is closely tied to the famous Shah Do Shamshira Mosque in Kabul, Afghanistan, a spiritual and historical landmark that carries the essence of this tale of bravery, sacrifice, and faith. According to popular legend, Shah Do Shamshira was a courageous king or Islamic warrior who arrived in Kabul to spread Islam. He was known for his unmatched bravery in battle, wielding two swords simultaneously, which became his defining trait. The story goes that during a fierce battle near the Kabul River, he fought valiantly against his enemies. Despite being heavily outnumbered, he refused to retreat and continued to fight until he was ultimately martyred. His heroic sacrifice made a lasting impression on the people, and his story became a symbol of faith and courage. Another version of the story suggests that Shah Do Shamshira was not just a warrior, but also a deeply spiritual leader. His mission was to guide people toward Islam and unite them under the values of justice and peace. After his martyrdom, the site where he fought and died was considered sacred. To honor his memory and his dedication to the faith, the Shah Do Shamshira Mosque was later built near the Kabul River, where his legacy lives on. The two swords in his hands are symbolic of his dual strength, both physical and spiritual. They represent his ability to defend not just his people, but also his beliefs, embodying the perfect harmony between worldly courage and spiritual devotion. The Shah Do Shamshira Mosque, built in the 1920s during King Amanullah Khan's reign, stands as a tribute to this legendary figure. The mosque's unique architectural design and its prominent location near the Kabul River reflect the profound respect and honor given to Shah Do Shamshira's memory. The story of Shah Do Shamshira continues to inspire people as a tale of selflessness and unwavering faith. It serves as a reminder of the power of sacrifice and the enduring legacy of those who dedicate their lives to a greater cause. For Afghans, the legend of Shah Do Shamshira is not just a part of history, but a spiritual and cultural treasure that connects them to their past. Even today, the Shah Do Shamshira Mosque stands as a symbol of this inspiring story, drawing worshippers and visitors alike who come to reflect on the values of bravery, faith, and devotion that Shah Do Shamshira embodied.